splashes in the Touch line by TRX. When I was in the factory in Turkey, I had a really hard time choosing which ones would enter into this line, especially for hand percussionists, but I love the three of them, so here they are. 9, 10 and 12 inch, all hand hammered and polished, so the polished finish for me just gives a little bit of a brighter and a louder sound, and easier to get a sound out with your fingers. So it's really tough finding a good splash, and that's why I'm so happy to have these out for you guys. For us as hand percussionists, either we end up with really thin, bad quality splashes that break quickly, or thick splashes that are hard to get a sound out with your fingers. So I'm really happy to have these available for you, and I want to play them with the cajon so you can compare and choose which one you like the best, or get all three if you're into that. Okay, so you can hear them quietly as well.